So for this whole upcoming week, I'm gonna be hosting a Thanksgiving sale for you guys to save 20% off your whole entire order on Borges Supply. So I have very few quantities left with merch on the website. So the items we do have left in stock, here's the wheel t-shirt. This comes in black and white. Same thing with the hoodie. I actually have like 1 or 2 larges left in the hoodies. So charcoal gray, got the same logo on the front. So very few quantities left in these. So I actually came across the very first t-shirt that I dropped for you guys. So with these, just like the hoodies, I have like a few larges left, and I have quite a bit of mediums and smalls as well. So with the reveal t-shirt, alongside the latest merch drop, use code THANKS to save you guys 20% off the whole entire website. So with all the orders placed with this discount code, I'm gonna include some free stickers for you guys. The same exact sticker that I have right here on the Mustang on the back. And the first 9 orders I get with this discount code, I'm gonna include a free windshield banner. Got the satin black windshield banner, the same one that I have on the FRS right here. The first 9 orders with the code gets a free one of these. And like I said, with the rest of the orders, I'm gonna include some free stickers for you guys. If you guys have been wanting to purchase some of the merch, take advantage of the sale to save you 20% off the whole order. Thank you guys so much in advance. That's enough talk about the merch. Let's get right into today's video. I just seem to always have a low tank on gas. So now I have a full one. You guys can't clown on me for that anymore. But anyways, today I really wanted to make a POV driving video for you guys on the new Mustang. Haven't made any yet. I've made quite a bit with the FRS. And I guess kind of like an honest review of how the bags ride on the Mustang. If you guys haven't seen the previous video, we did install an Airlift V2 kit on the Mustang. This thing did come with an exhaust. So I believe this is the Corsa Sport. I don't think this is the Corsa Extreme because it's not that loud. I mean, it's pretty loud, but it's not like crazy loud like the Extreme. So yeah, that's pretty much all that's done to it. The bags and the Corsa exhaust. All right guys, we're good to go. So yeah. First impressions, I guess I can start off with from the bags. It's very hard to explain. It's stiff, but it's not like uncomfortable stiff, if that makes sense. It's like the stiffness that's like perfect for daily driving. And it's not uncomfortable. It's not like freaking stanced uncomfortable, like super slammed to the ground stiffness, but it's just like a nice upgrade from like the OEM feel, if that makes sense. So yeah, it's nothing that's like not bearable. It's very nice. It's a little bit stiff. That's all I'm trying to say. Dude, this thing is so fun to drive. Like, it is crazy. It's so different from the FRS. A lot of people ask me like, what car do I like better, or like which car is faster? And it's honestly such a hard question to answer. Like, both cars are so different and they both have their own like feel to it, so it's kind of hard to compare. But I guess if I can try to give you guys an answer on like which car is faster, I think it's honestly very hard to tell. I think this car top end, like on the freeway, would like beat the FRS. But I don't know, like street driving, I don't know, like the FRS is pretty quick. Like, not gonna lie, that thing is pretty quick, and I definitely think it could keep up with the Mustang, no doubt. I know a lot of you guys have been wanting me to race both cars, but I think the Mustang overall is a little bit quicker than the FRS, I think. Between the two, the Mustang is definitely more comfortable to drive than the FRS. Like, the seats in this thing are so comfortable. Like, I just literally feel like I'm sitting on the couch. Like, everyone that I've brought in the Mustang, they're just like, dude, these seats are so comfortable. So yeah, this car would definitely be great for like a road trip and long driving. Like, this thing is really comfortable. Versus the FRS, the thing is very like stiff. It's more of like a race car feel versus the Mustang. So yeah, that's just like my little comparison between the two cars. Compared to the FRS, this thing is like a boat. This thing is just massive. Like the hood, when you step on it, the whole car just like tilts back. It's, I don't know, this thing is huge. Notice how fast you're going in this thing. Like the FRS, you can kind of, you know how fast you're going, you can feel it. But with this car, since it's so massive, like I look down, like I'm cruising and I look down and I'm going like 80. Like what the heck, like it's so weird. All right, man, you're just gonna run in the back roads, in the middle of the road. Not a good idea. Gas mileage wise, with the two cars, they're almost the same. So this car, I think it gets like 17 miles per gallon, and the FRS is like 16, 15 on E85, so about the same MPG. Surprised. Bro, come on, man. Why are people just in the middle of the road right now? Like, oh my gosh. Those downshifts are so crispy. Damn. We're gonna pull over here, get some exhaust clips. I think I've heard it only a few times. The exhaust from the outside of the car. I'm gonna go ahead and get some exhaust clips for you guys since we're out in the middle of nowhere. Damn, dude, the whole car like shakes. literally looks like mine. It literally looks like mine. A lot of you guys have been asking if I'm gonna boost the Mustang. As of right now, I'm not planning to boost it anytime soon. I just got the car. You know, I'm trying to enjoy it as it is stock before I go ahead and mess with the motor and stuff. Cause I don't know, I just want to get a feel for, you know, how it is factory, and then once you get into like modifying it, feeling the difference and whatnot. Long-term goals, like long-term wise, it'll probably happen. I mean, eventually I'm gonna boost the car. I'll probably supercharge it, but like soon, I don't plan on boosting it. I love this car so much. Off the gear. Gotta say, I'm quite impressed with how the car handles. Definitely scary coming from a 4-cylinder FRS to a V8 Mustang. Complete different cars, like I said. A little bit scary, not gonna lie, getting around the corners and stuff. I'm just so used to not having a lot of power in the FRS. Damn, dude. Just the sunset, the lighting right now looks so nice. Like you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I am doing the Thanksgiving sale on Borges Supply. I'll put the code right here on the screen again. Thanks to save you guys 20% off. Just a little discount code to show you guys my appreciation. And since it's gonna be Thanksgiving, I wanna tell you guys that I appreciate you guys so much. I'm so thankful for all 41,000 of you guys that are subscribed to the channel, and all you guys who view the videos. You know, the regulars in the comment section, like I see you. It doesn't go unnoticed whatsoever. You know, I'm not asking for you guys to watch the videos whatsoever. I'm not that type to be telling you guys to, you know, watch this or, you know, be sure to do this and that. Like, it's all your guys' choice. You guys came to the channel on your own, and I want you guys to feel welcome naturally. So, you know, to you guys who come to the channel and genuinely enjoy the content, thank you so much. Like, it literally means the world. I just real quickly wanted to remind you guys. With that being said, I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. Stay grateful, and I'll catch you all in the next one.